Samsung 49 inches Odyssey OLED G95SC series curved smart gaming monitor. 240Hz 0.03 ms dual QHD new quantum processor Pro display HDR 400 AMD free synchronized premium Pro and gaming hub. Screen sizes is 49 inches, display 5120 by 1440 pixels. Brand Samsung special features are height adjustment, ultra wide screen tilt adjustment, curved and high dynamic range. Refresh rate 240Hz. OLED and new quantum processor Pro. With advanced new quantum processor Pro, every frame on the OLED panel is instantly analyzed and optimized for maximum quality. Colors, shades, and contrast come together to deliver a bright, brilliant picture. 49-inch dual QHD, a screen as wide as two quad high-definition monitors, delivers maximum space to take all the pin-sharp detail. It wraps around your field of vision with 1800 or curvature to put you fully into your character's shoes. Display HDR True Black 400. Uncover every secret with infinity expression. See true black and dark colors on screen without pixels. Light blend for supreme color and depth expression in every game. 0.03 ms response time and 240Hz refresh rate. Samsung OLED with quantum dot technology delivers 0.03 ms response time, HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort connections keep you ahead of the competition with 240Hz refresh rate.